Hello everyone, I'm going to guide you on how to use the KKTKE software. In this video, I will show you how to post articles in various groups. So to use this feature from the main interface of the software, you need to go to the post publishing function. Here there are many options and functions related to posting, and to post to groups, you just need to click here. That's right, post to groups. When it comes to posting in groups, we actually have quite a few options available here. You can set up posts for each individual account. So when we are managing multiple Facebook accounts across different industries or fields, setting up topic appropriate posts for each account is something you can easily handle right here. Alternatively, you can create a general configuration for all accounts, allowing you to post to groups collectively. So if you want to post and set up posts for each individual account, just click here. If not, then we'll choose the option for general configuration for all accounts. Here, if we look at the settings section there, the configuration for posting to groups maximum accounts means how many groups each account will post to. Here it allows us to select how many groups each account will post to. For example, if each account posts to 2 groups or 5 groups, then it will follow this setting. Here, this is the option to switch accounts after posting. Usually we set these two numbers to be the same. And for example, if you select 3 groups, then after posting to 3 groups, it will switch to another account. And after finishing all the links, it will loop back here to post to the remaining 2 groups. That's how it works. Okay, for example, if I let it finish posting to this group there and set it to switch accounts, if there are consecutive posting errors, I can set it to 4 or 5 groups like that. So the interval between 2 times, the interval here is that after posting to one group, there will be a waiting period before posting to the next one. Usually I set it to about 80 to 100 seconds. Yeah, so I can post to the next group. As for those of you who want the posting process to be faster, you can just adjust it. You can set the interval to be shorter. Here, for example, I'll set it to be short, just from 7 to 10 seconds. Next, in this section, you can choose the configuration to either post the same content to all accounts or post separately to each one. Okay, you select the posts and then save them. Here, you are allowed to post in 2 different ways. First, you can post using a list of IDs. Here, I've also prepared some groups based on my own keywords, for example. For instance, these are groups related to wholesale warehouses. So I just need to copy the ID. You can copy these IDs and simply paste them in. Please enter these IDs with each ID on a separate line, and then it will start posting. Or you can post to the groups that this account has already joined. Here you can select a random post to share. Next, we'll choose the option to not post to the same group more than once. This is for posting by UID. You can also enable automatic group joining or add a background when posting the status. You can set the waiting time for uploading images, or you can choose the action to comment on that post. You can comment using the link, such as the group Zalo ID or the post link, to avoid having a link directly in your post. That way you can include the link in the comment instead. Okay, so I'll first try out the feature of posting to groups using this list of IDs. There, we just click here. After finishing the setup, we select the account and press start. That's it. We click start. Then the posting process will begin, and those accounts will enter the groups. That's right, they'll join the groups to post. As you can see, it's currently posting to this group. So when I press pause, You can see that it's already posted. It's been posted successfully. So I'll pause it now. Stop here. When I also check the option to not post duplicate content between accounts, yeah. So not posting to the same group and also not posting duplicate content, it means the posts won't be taken from each other. If we select the additional feature to not post to the same group, then these accounts will post to different groups. Alright, besides posting according to this list of UIDs, I've also added a feature that allows posting to the groups that these Facebook accounts have already joined. As you can see, you can select this feature so that if the account has already joined a group, it will only post to those groups.